Interroll's proven material handling solutions are in operation around the globe. Day after day, they sort, convey, and store millions of goods. We know that reliability and maximum equipment uptime is the key to your success. Now, with Interroll Lifetime Service on your side, you can have peace of mind for the entire service life of your material handling equipment. Interroll Lifetime Service secures the perfect startup. Smooth installation and on-time commissioning are handled and safeguarded by our experienced field service engineers. Interroll is at your side, right from the start. Regular inspection and preventive maintenance reduce downtime and secure the performance of your material flow. Our skilled lifetime service team helps you monitor your equipment and perform regular fine-tuning and upgrades. Our experts assist you on the hotline, and in emergencies, you can rely on a professional support on your site within hours. The immediate availability of spare parts is extremely important. With more than 4,000 available articles, our stock of spare parts is strategically located in the middle of Europe, ready to ship in no time, whatever you need, wherever you need it. Our global repair network performs express repairs, gives your equipment a second life, and keeps your business running. And this includes professional analysis and test reports. Of course, each and every product, replacement part, and repair is in line with Interroll's proven quality. Our services are always up to date and ensured by regularly training our staff. We pride ourselves on sharing our know-how with our customers. For your convenience, we offer online trainings and hands-on workshops in our Interroll Academy or on your site. From installation, hotline support, spare parts, repairs and retrofits, to preventive maintenance and essential training, our team of lifetime service experts is on your side, no matter where you are. Take full advantage of our service network with 100 skilled experts, 8 repair shops, and 16 certified partners. Interroll Lifetime Service, your service partner.